Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can merge or how you can connect two cards in Trello. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click on whatever card you want, and then you want to click on attachment. And when you click on attachment, you want to click on Trello. When you click here on Trello, you need to add card of board and just write here, like, I don't know, Shopify. And you see it here, Shopify cards. So I'm going to click on it, and voila, here we have it. So when I click on Shopify, and let's say I'm going to give it a label, and I'm going to add here due date. Okay. You see it here that right now in this Trello attachment, I can see that the Shopify, the due date, and it's priority number 1. It's quite simple, I think. So this is how we make it, and this is how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.